Welcome to day 31 of NTI. Today we're going to go over binary numbers, digital number systems. And so I know that this looks very intimidating, but I promise you it's a lot easier than what you're thinking. Okay, so just go down through, make sure that you read this whole thing first. It's okay if you don't understand it the first time. Hopefully this video kind of explains everything a little bit better. So we're going to convert from binary to decimal numbers. So anytime you see a 1, that means that it's on, high, true, or yes. Anytime you see a 0, it's going to be off, low, false, or no. So communication and digital electrical devices is made up of streams of 1s and 0s. And we're going to kind of skip this chart and kind of go straight into converting them into decimal. So when you see a binary number, treat each 1 or 0 as an individual. Example, 1010, that's how it's pronounced. It's not going to say 1010. Each digit represents a value. To move from binary to decimal, you simply add. Below are the 10 spots that could all be represented by a 1 or a 0. If there's a 1, then add the value represented by that spot. So this is essentially pretty much what we're going to deal with right here. And then depending on your number, we're going to do it two ways. We're going to go frontwards and backwards. So the very first one, it says the number 13. So in order to get the number 13, we're going to look at this middle row right here, and we're going to see what numbers can we add together to get 13. So we circle 8, 4, and 1. 8, 4, and 1 equals 13. Okay, but remember we said that 1s and 0s are all placeholders. So our binary number, since we circled this one, this is what we're going to start with, is 1, 1, 0, 1. And that's what we got right there. If we go down to the next one, number 5, or not number 5, sorry, 5. We look again at this middle row and we see what numbers can we add together to get to 5. So here we circle 4 and we circle 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So again, now we're going to write our numbers, and we start at the one that we circled at first and we write 1, 0, 1, just like they have here. The last one is 615. We look at the numbers in order to get 615 added together. So it's going to be 512 plus 640, and it kind of computes it down here for you, plus 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So I would definitely have a calculator ready for these. Okay, and then that's going to give you start from here all the way down. Now, zeros are false or no, just like we said up in the chart above. So we're not adding those numbers together, but we still have to recognize them. So that's why we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and then we write all the way down. All right. Using the methods shown above, use the given tables to convert the binary numbers 1010001 and 110100 to decimal numbers. So now we're going to do it backwards. So we're going to look at this first one, okay? And we are, oh, my screen just went blurry, sorry. We're going to look at this first one, and you're going to just plug in the numbers to the top. So start at the very bottom, okay? So we have 10001, so 10001, and then 01, 01. So this is where we're gonna start, okay? So it's a 1, so we wanna circle it. So we have 64, and then you're just gonna go across. The 0 we don't count because it's considered false. Here's another one, so 64 plus 16. Again, these are zeros, so we don't add those together. And then you get all the way to the last one, which is 1. So you should have 64 plus 16 plus 1. And then for this set, you should get 81. I want you to go ahead and try that in your calculator. Try it again just to make sure that that's what you're getting. The second one, if you want to pause this video and try it on your own, this is the number we're going to use, 110100, and we're going to use it for this set. So go ahead and hit pause and try that for yourself. So again, what we're going to do is we're just going to start back on this side and we're going to go work our way 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so we're going to start here. Our 1, we have to count. So we circle 32, we circle 16, oops, 0, we don't add, but we still have to count it. 4 we circle, so you should have 32 plus 16 plus 4, and for that one you should get 52.